Alright guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, this is Zionhublogistics. We discuss money, arbitrage, e-commerce, how we can make money online, and most especially how we can start our mini importation journey and solutions to the problem arising when it comes to our mini importation business. So if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, what you want to do is to subscribe. So this is a family, this is a community. We talk at large when it comes to mini importation and the problems arising when it comes to mini importation. So what you want to do, subscribe. So the importance of you subscribing is you join our community, one, and YouTube will be able to notify you whenever I post another helpful content. I don't normally come online to post video like that. It is what I've practiced and it has worked for me. This is one thing I come to show you guys, so it can be a win-win for both of us. All right, so please subscribe as you are watching this video. And in today's tutorial I wanted to talk about how we can bind our Alipay with our 1688 account. Okay, now let me quickly break it down. That is the most reason you don't need to skip this video, because each of these steps I'm showing you in this tutorial and what I'll be saying is very, very important. Okay, so now the first thing is when it comes to binding your 1688 account with your Alipay, there are some things you need to do. There are some things you need to put into actions. Okay, the first thing is, now you've already created this new account. You've already created it without even adding anything and all that. So this is a separate thing, and Alipay is also a separate thing. You wanted to bind the account, so it gives you opportunity to make a payment directly without using any agent. That's beauty part of it. So now in today's tutorial I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide on how to get it started. And I want to thank you. It is very, very important. I will never be an ingrate. So thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you. You never get tired of watching Zionhublogistics video. I'm owing you guys a big one. Thank you so very much. God will never get tired of you. As you don't get tired of seeing this face, as you don't get tired of watching the video, God will never get tired of you. God will never get tired of your business. And it is very, very important you know God as well. Please, in this business we are doing, we should always promote God. Let's put God first. Let's say a word of prayer to our business. This is what I've done. It has helped me too. You know, we come here to talk about mini importation, how to make money online. It does not stop there. Let's decree to our business, my business is going to prosper. You are going to make it. The way I watch the Zionhublogistics video and it works for Zion is also going to work for me. Let's believe, and I believe that God is going to do it. If you are not giving your life to Christ, it is very, very important. These are the aspects we haven't been talking about. Please, let's add God to our business, our day-to-day activities. And I believe as we are doing this, God will also water our life. Is going to water our business too. Okay, so now let's dive into today's tutorial. I wanted to show you something unique today, because there are some things that I did in this video that it is uncommon, and I wanted to show you. Okay, so guys, subscribe. Let's dive into my screen right now and let's get started. So okay guys, this is my 1688 account, and for you to just find yourself lucky watching this video, I've uploaded different types of videos and you guys are still there. You keep on watching. You never get tired of watching Zionhublogistics. This is my prayer for you as you're watching this video. God will never get tired of you. God will never get tired of your business. God will be there for you always in the mighty name of Jesus. And that one aside, the God we are talking about, you need to know him. Please speak blessings, speak word of encouragement into your business, into your mini importation daily. It is important. As we are doing these things, we all know that the realm of the spirit controls the physical. So let's speak words into these businesses. They hear word of God. let's pick, as I'm doing this in mini importation business, I'm going to succeed, I'm going to make profits. Okay, so that having been said, so this is my new account. In my last video we talked about that, right? If you haven't watched it, you can do what to watch it. I'm going to link it under the description button of this video, right? So okay, we are here. This is a new account now. So what you want to do in this case is to click on me, which is your profile here. You can see anything has not been done on this account. So what we want to do in this case is to link and bind our Alipay together. Now this is some questions I got. They asked me, can I bind my unverified Alipay with my 1688 account? How can I bind it together? How can I link it together if it is not verified? Guys, if your account is not verified, you cannot make use of it. That's one thing I need you to understand. You cannot make use of it. It's not going to work. It's as good as useless. So don't bother doing that. I recorded the video on how I think 2 methods you can use to verify your international passport if you are not having. So I'm going to link the video. You can go and watch it. So once you have a verified Alipay account, you can watch it. And if you find yourself watching this video, you as well might find yourself lucky having a verified Alipay account, and you've already created a 1688 account as well, but it's not linked together. So you wanted to find a way out to bind it together. Now this is how it works. Sorry, I don't talk too much. Don't say this guy is talking too much. Okay, it is better for we to know these things. Okay, so we won't fall a victim, so our money will not be there hanging. So we won't say, okay, my account got frozen, my account got this, what can I do? I'm a pre-order coach, I do pre-order, I do this and do that. No. To avoid stories that touch the heart, let me just make the full explanation now why you pick it. Okay, so please, let's get it. I don't come here with false informations. I don't come here to mislead people. People are watching video from different countries, right? So let's get it known. Okay, so now another thing I wanted to speak about is once we create a 1688 account at fresh on our phone, please don't log it out or don't log it on another phone. This is another thing that cause this account to have issues later on. When 1688 later discovered they are logging this account from different IPs, though they want to confirm what is going on, and by the virtue of you doing this at the process, is likely they lock out the account, which is not good. Okay, so now if you've already created your 1688 account separately with different numbers, and you verified your Alipay with different number, this is how you are going to be binding it together. You see, it is very simple. So you come to settings icon under this headset. Beside this headset, you come here. So this is the option you get. If I'm to start explaining these options one after the other, guys, you'll be tired of watching this video. So that is why I don't like doing long videos. Okay, so I think I have my procurement class, I have my procurement course. If you want to start procuring things yourself, you have a verified Alipay account and you want to start buying goods for people to make your money, I have the procurement class. You can DM me. I have the course. I have the mini importation course. I have complete Facebook adverts targeting course. I have Instagram one different. I can also help you exchange RMB with sell and buy RMB, right? So that one aside, guys. So once you are in this page, you come to this last option before we are seeing the next one, which is having Alipay logo. This is what we want to deal with for today. Okay, so you click on this guy. Clicking on it will take you here. By the virtue of you using your number to create a 1688 account, they believe that the number is linked to 1688 account. That is why you are seeing this. Now let me screenshot and go to my Google Translator. If you are new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe. I haven't made mention of that. It is very, very important you subscribe. So let me just open my camera here, then upload. So let's see what we have. You can see that we have Alipay replacement here. This simply means we want to replace this number, like connect another Alipay to this account. You can see binding Alipay. This is the number we use in creating this account, right? And you can see we have change Alipay account. This is where we are going to be binding it, binding the account. Now let me go to my Alipay account I wanted to show you something. This is my Alipay account and is a new account, guys. Make sure the Alipay you want to link with this 1688 account is not please note, is not connected to any other 1688 account. To avoid stories that touch art later, please, I beg you in God's name, if it has already been connected, I will advise you to delete that Alipay entirely. Yes, you are surprised. Yes, you can delete a 1688 account and Alipay account, and your number will be erased from their system. You can use the same number to create it again. So once you delete the Alipay and the 1688 account, they will not have the data again. So you can go ahead in creating another Alipay account on that same international passport. I'm going to link the video on how to do that under the description button of this video. So do well to watch it, so you won't be having issues, I beg you. So now what I want to show you is to click on me here. This is a new account. It has not been connected to anything. Okay, I'm just using this for tutorial. I have my own personal Alipay account, but this also is also verified. Let me click on balance for you to see. So if it is not balanced, if it is not verified, you won't be seeing this. If you are very good in Alipay, you will see something unverified under this balance, or you are going to see verify now. That aside, let's go back to our 1688 account now. So here comes my 1688 account. So what you want to do is to click on this Alipay logo, this orange guy here. You click on it. Clicking on it will automatically open. You can see that it redirects me directly to my Alipay account. That's why I told you that please and please make sure this Alipay account is not connected to 1688 account. It is very, very important. Do you get it? So now you can see that this is Alipay authorization. I hope you know what authorization means. Now if you don't know it, let me just click on these details, this arrow here, for you to see what it means. You can see that this is 1688 account getting authorization of Alipay for you to have permission, for them to have permission to connect the two accounts together. Once this account is being connected together, guys, you can make a payment directly yourself. I repeat again, you can make a payment directly yourself without using any agent, any procurement agent, and any agent, because they eat up the profits on mini importation with their charges. Okay, this is what we do. I'm also an exchanger, but what do I mean by this is I'm not blackmailing any exchangers here. Please don't misquote me, I beg you. What I was trying to say here is, you know, we have different rates and we have service fee. So if at all you are the one doing this yourself, there won't be anything like that. Okay, you buy your RMB rates and make your payments yourself without any stories. And another benefit of it is you will get your tracking number yourself. It's going to be there on your 1688. All right, all this having been said, once you get to this stage, what you want to give this access is to allow them to connect the both accounts together. So I click on allow. So you can see that authorization successful. Now let's see what we have on this page. Let's see what we have to make it very, very simple. Okay, now you can see that a code is being requested again on this number. A code will be sent to this number that you use in creating the 1688 account. So make sure you have this account with you. If you don't have the account with you, make sure you get it. I mean the number you use in creating your 1688 account, not Alipay now. So once I click on this orange guy here, a code will be sent to this number for confirmation. So once the code is being sent, I will input it and I will show you what we have next. Okay, so let me just request for this code now. So guys, I've input the code. We have the code here. So what you want to do next is to click on accept. So you click on the orange guy here, and let's wait for this guy to wow. You can see the green button being marked there that this account has been linked successfully. Now let me screenshot and go back to my Google Translator or our Google Translator. So bam, you can see Alipay has been successfully banned. Okay, now this account has been banned successfully. Okay, let's go back and let me refresh this page and come back to my settings here, where I have my, what's it called, where I have my Alipay logo. Where's this guy? Okay, this guy here. So I want to see something there. I want to show you something. You can see now that this account has been connected. Now let's go ahead to buy a product. I'm not buying anything, I just want to confirm something. Now I think I like this bag. You ladies like to buy bags most of the time. I don't know, what do we guys do for you? You don't buy things for us. I don't know. All the procurement I've been doing, they buy bags. But it's fine, you guys like fashion. That's what God created with you, fashion. This bag is nice. Let's assume we've checked out the reviews. This is only having one review. Let's assume we've checked the review and we are fine. So I click on this guy here, and we have the MOQ as 3. This is 3. So let me just say I want to buy 3 now. I click and continue without even minding the local shipping fee. And this is what we have here. I think I have my shipping address in there, so I click on continue. Now what I want you to know is, if this Alipay is not connected, it will not get to this page. It is simple. This is what I want you to know. Now that's why I'm doing this. Wow, now you can see that we have this item here. You can see it here right now, that this is showing us a Alipay option to make payments. Now if I'm to click on this guy now, let me click on it. It's going to open my Alipay directly. This is a means that this is a confirmation that this account has been connected. You can see now that I'm having insufficient balance. That is why you are seeing this. If at all I'm having a balance now, enough balance to buy this item, it will just bring the option for me to just pay directly and input my payment pin. Bam, we are done. So guys, let me just go back. I don't need this. I think I like the bag. I don't know. So that is how to bind your 1688 together with your Alipay account. So let's go back to Alipay to see our notification. I'm very sure that you can see that I have 20 0. It's not even up to 1 yuan. So let me refresh for you to I'm very sure that this guy is going to notify us that something is going on with this thing. Let me see if we have them here. I'm not sure. They can send the notification later. They can send it later. So guys, that is how to connect your 1688 account to your Alipay account. So Zionhub love you. Please, if you have not subscribed, it's free to subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Wow, you watched that video to the very end. Guys, you've tried. Thank you guys for watching the video, and thank you guys for subscribing, and I will definitely see you in my next video.